Alright, ngani zakwethu lona ke upart 2 wodaba esilifakile khona manje ekuqaleni mangabe upart 1 bungakawuboni ukhona khona la kule channel eMaswidi Media Production. Ngiyacela ukuthi mangabe usuqedile ukubuka le video ungazeli isiqiniseko sokuthi uqofa subscribe uya like bese uyakhomenta kule video yanamhlanje. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyibone bese uyithokozela.
Ke endlini kaDaddy, you know, I'm shocked. I'm surprised Nami because I'm thinking good Taibo, what's happening here, you know? Because I'm supposed to be I'm thinking ukuthi what's going on here because uDaddy megekbiza usually you thinking it's prayer, you know? Hayibo nangu kusihle kuyangena roomini la kaDaddy mawufika roomini la kaDaddy uDaddy idimina yakhe akusile ngijwayele yakababa uyabona avela ajika namehla akhe ajikile ngisunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani avela athi oya sikle ngithi yes daddy athi oya take your pants down guys osikhathi like ngathi you are take your pants down hayibo ngimbheke ngingabaza athi please take your pants down siyathetha manje uvela uyehlise ukhumule athi oya take your clothes off vele ukhumule athi oya lie down
ulaya kuphi njalo
lie down ngilala phansi phela
awukumbhede lapho kulela office
mamela it was a carpet lale phansi mengilala phansi ke lapho avele angikhwele mengikhwela kanjalo into engayizwa nje ukuthi nje khona nje bongazi ukuthi silwane noma umuntu kodwa khona into ephefumulayo la kuwena uyezwa nje ukuthi something ephefumulayo but ubhlungu obuzwayo you don't understand ukuthi what is going on. I think kuleyo situation usunami nje usuphelelwe like imizwa ama emotions and at the same time uyazibona ukuthi hayibo ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngila kodwa Nkosi yami akusiyimina lona ngiyaphupha iphupho elikhulu leli iphupho leli this is not happening. Uma seqedile kanjalo wena uDaddy ke meqedile nawe uvela phakame asukume athathi unevaslap emhlophe thatha vaslap yakhe emhlophe athi oya open avela thatha vaslap akusule yena ngaphakathi ayithatha vaslap ayibophele angaze ayibeke kusikhama athi oya put on your clothes go out so kanjalo nje uqedile ngawo
akho mhlambi nokuthi akuqabuleke mbijana
so mawuphuma mawehla uhlangana naye lo ubhisola lokise lapha ya so mawehla wena ke ubhisola manje mehlangana nawo buka mesohlangana naye ubhisola moseyehlile downstairs akusukuthi unendaba ngokuthi unjani how are you no ugadile manje ukuthi ukhuluma nobani like sekagade your moves ukuthi how are you behaving normal
uDaddy lapha akho mhlambe comfort inyana kunika yona ukuthi uzizwe mhlambe ungconywana no Bisola naye into
uBisola ngaso sikhathi masowehlile idebhiso vela athi oya sister Sikle oya Ron choristers are rehearsing so you go back as if everything is normal.
Okay, so akasho nokuthi and ungayikhulumi
nothing is being said to you uqhubeke nawe but every corner so ubona uBisola and manje so awusakwazi ukuthi ubehave kanjani manje ngoba awazi ukuthi uyazi number 1 ukuthi if ngayikhuluma lento ebusuku kuzoba ne-meeting kule meeting ngizobhonya so bakugadile manje ukuthi ubehave kanjani behaving strangely we understand so usu monitored so uyazi ukuthi whatever but at the same time ingqondo ayivumi ukwamukela ukuthi hayibo uDaddy uceda ukungenza into enjena
nje phela angithi nikhandiwe ukuthi ningayicabanga izinto ezimbi ngoDaddy ngoba mawuyicabange emqondweni ukuthi umqondo ngeke umuntu kaNkuluNkulu lo muntu kaNkuluNkulu
uyabona uyakuzwa
buka into yokuthi awusakwazi manje ukuthi you can't tell ukuthi ngempela enzekile noma ngiyayiphupha lento but mawuye bathroom muyithinta ngaphansi uyanuka uyezwa manje ukuthi no khona into enzekile la kumina but then life continues. Ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa ke it's a day ozosebenza kakhulu ke bese after about 2-3 hours meeting kuleyo meeting awazi noma uDaddy ubheke emehlweni noma umshalazele awazi ukuthi wenzeni but kuleyo meeting for some reason he will pick on you
athi
uzo pick on you athi oya Sikle stand up usukumeke wena ke athi anyone here who has a problem with sister Sikle hayi abantu ngathi ba prepare ukuthi nje bakuthele ngeinkinga zokuthi wenzeni just to break you. And they are doing all of this to break you mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Ukuthi je ubone ukuthi ubone ukuthi la ekhaya whatever happens, 1 awutshela umuntu, number 2 uDaddy maseshuba akalithathela igama ngathi khathi you're hoping ukuthi uzokholwa wena because hey Bob Daddy uqeda ukunyukubeza le ngaphezulu lutho nix akakubona ukuthi izivasela ibhodo
ukwenza lokho wakwenza lokho kuwena kangaka wakwenza kanye waqeda ngawe awu noma waphinde futhi kwaqhubeka
no kwaba into eqhubekayo ukuthi nje uyazi nje makuthiwa sister Sidla daddy is calling you mabathi sister Sidla daddy is calling you and then mabathi 5-story
yebo
uyazi ke 5-story building uyazi ukuthi hayi sokuzoyenzeka it's going to happen. I mean even it happened nase crusade saya ku crusade na eSingapore it happened nakhona futhi lapho. I mean uDaddy bekalala in a different hotel from us but then you will get a call in your room ukuba ngasikhathi mina ke so funny ngasikhathi ku crusade eSingapore bengilala no Bisola nomfazi kaDaddy ama rooms wethu were interleading kuthiwa uBisola afike imathi oyasekhle Daddy wants you like already ubheka ngale look yokuthi uyazi ukuthi ufune kwenzakaleni so uzoya downstairs ugitsheza emotweni drive to his hotel room mafika hotel room yakhe labo sesabaculayo aba-3 the famous ones abaculayo enkonzweni yakhe uN uAnu noBoss bakhona lapho ibona abamphekelayo mawufika lapho uku-presidential suit so mawungena vele i-lounge khishi uya straight ekamereni mawufika uDaddy vele athi oya makathi oya so uyazi vele ukhumuleke nawe vele ulaleke phela-ke ayenza into ayenzayo ngawaqedeke
konke lokhu umukhulelwa kwenzekana akwazeni ufinyelele esimeni sokuthi ukhulelwe ke manje
right problem comes musukhulelwe awusaye esikhathini ke manje so ukhulelwe funeka uyobika phela manje nakhona mawubika futhi angeke uvele uyotshela noma yini noma ubani uzoya like mina for example ngaya ku Bisola ngathi sister Bisola see yo hey this my period is not coming again athi sister Bisola for how long ngithi it hasn't been coming this whole month. I don't get it again. So most people bazo to speak lapha pidgin English. I stayed in Nigeria, guys.
Yes.
Then that's when I discovered ukuthi kune clinic underground esontweni.
Unamanga.
Through pops.
Engathi ngayo.
Underground. Yabona lapha nima khona nthandaza nelithi Jesus is Lord ikule auditorium. Underground lapho kune clinic, full-fledged clinic. Kuno nurse, kuno dokotela, full-fledged. Wangithatha uBisola ngaya lapha eNzansi, but oyaphi? Bayathatha pregnancy stick.
But yeah.
Mayithi positive. Oya no problem. Oya sleep on the bed now. So uyalaliswa embedeni. Full-fledged clinic. I can still yabona ngiba traumatized ngicabanga because mina lapha enkonzweni I had 3 abortions. 3 abortions because ngathi Joshua
bakhiphisa isisu kathathu
3 mamela uyathathwa and nakhona futhi mawulaliswa embedeni akunegotiate lapha kuthiwa hayi it's my body ngifuna ukugcina lesisu no uyathatha ulaliswa bese inyawo zakho bazibeka so ngathi inkukhu uyazi bakubophe so inyawo lele so uvula inyawo bakubophe inyawo then uzofika usister mayefika usister ufika nento engathi insimbi uyazi into yaziyo nje i-warm land uvela ayifaka ayithi go ingaphakathi kwakho mase ingenile ngaphakathi uyayitwista mayiceda ukuyitwista kanjalo kuvela ukuthi qu uyazi so khona into ayihlabile ngaphakathi kwakho wayitwista and then makayidonsa ukuthi wena you can feel ingaphakathi yakho ukuthi khona into edonsekayo kuvela ukuthi qu uyazi mayiceda ukuthi qu kanjalo avela ayidonse nayo-ke. From that time, uzowopha sisi, you will bleed like crazy. But muwopha, ucabanga ukuthi ngiqedile uherumini, lutho uhlala lapha eNzansi until uqeda ukuwopha. Mawopha kanjalo ufaka ama-pads. Lawo ama-pads mawafakiwe, ayathathwa afake eplastikini agcinwe lapho. Athatha eplastikini agcinwe lapho.
Agcinwa
yibona phela ngisho uhamba ungakaqedi ukuwopha. So uhlala lapho. And then mase uqedile ukuwopha ke wena ke ilapho ke level 2 lapho so introducewa khona ke intweni zakhona ke manje. Ngoba phela igazi lami angithi yimbe ngopha nisho. Uthola ukuthi ngihlale lapho 7 days.
Ne? Oh, uhlale clinic 7 days.
Yeah, awuphuma uwopha. Hayi then kuzothiwa oya ngaso sikhathi masihleli lapho mind you I'm not the only girl lapho.
Nibaningi.
Kodwa sikhulumisani. Umuntu nomuntu uzela indaba yakho la sonke siyazi ukuthi vele sokhipha izisu and asakubuzwana phela ngisho sifuna ukushaywa emeetingini so usiyabonana but asikhulumi bese uzothatha ukuthi sister Sikhle oya come wena nathi oya come with your plastic mase basho ukuthi uqedile ukopha uyahamba uyiswe mountain uthi Joshua bekane prayer mountain yakhe hayi leni ibone TV nini le sithele le namafish amaningi lapho begunda ama pubic hairs wakadlisa amafish khona thatho lawo ma plastic lakho lama pads wakho ke iwona ke lawa thathwa ke mawufika ke ungena endumbeni yakhona You know, ngikhumbula mengifika kuleyo ndumba leyo ngasikhathi uBhisola ukhona. Uhamba noBhisola.
Yiba.
Mawufika kuleyo ndumba yakhona kuthiwa, "Oh yeah, no screaming here, oh. No screaming. You don't dare scream. Whatever you see, you don't scream. You keep quiet. Daddy will not hurt you." So automatically you are told. So uyathula uthi tu. Hayi mawungena endumbeni lapho, bavele bathathe, but oh yeah, throw this your plastic in ngathi yini? It's umgqomo omkhulu nje, like a cannibal yini ubizani lo mgqomo omkhulu lo wesintu, like
Imbiza.
lo wembiza but umkhulu.
Okay.
Uvela ulahlele lapho awunakile ngaleso sikhathi bese waqeda lapho kuthiwa oh yeah, lie down. Hayibo again, lie down. Sengilalelani ke manje and mawufika kuleyo ndawo leyo vele already iyashunqa kushuka inuka impepho, but ngiyayizwa ukuthi impepho, but impepho le ulaso phansi ke lapho ke bekwa amakhandlela around you kuqhamuka umlisa ke ufake into ebovu, uyayibona mawujabheka ne voice udedi Nkosi owe ma owe ma avela athi oh yeah Bisola did she throw her plastic, then uzovuma uBhisola, then bakhuluma language engayizwa ke mina ke, then from there oh yeah Bisola wait outside, Bisola must wait outside. So meke ngaphandle uBhisola mina sengilele flat pants lapho ke again uzongikhwela ke, but this time mekukhwela ke lapho ke that's when the first time I was introduced to inyoka zakhe ke zilapho ke.
Siyaxolisa futhi ngamagama aqotsheni akunukubeze futhi
Yes.
inyoka ke sizenzani ke manje ke.
Hayibo, while he's busy on top of you, nangu as I say, you don't know ukuthi ulala naye noma isilwane, because the way aphefumula ngakhona is not the same. So at that point ubheke phezulu, you are, it's either you are numb, you are just, you thinking uNkulunkulu just help me, you understand? While busy nawe ke lapho uzozwa man khona into ehambayo in this room but awukho sure. So while it's on you, at some point mawuthi uthi khanda ayibona ikubhekile lento, uyayibona ikubhekile lento mawuthi hayibo inyoka hawe ma, you are numb, you just die completely. Bese qadile ke ngawe ke oh yeah, put on your clothes, oh yeah, go, uyabuyisela esontweni awusawopha uqedile ngawe, you continue, life continues. And then from there bakuthatheke behind the stage enkonzweni kune swimming pool. Kune swimming pool lapho. So leyo swimming pool nakhona khona into yakhe vele lapho ke ehamba ehlala phakathi kuleyo swimming pool. Ngenibone nina because angeke niye nifunani kuleyo swimming pool emva stage. Kuyathina ka lesho sengiqedile lapha entabeni. Then ngifune ngibuyisele ke sengiyogezwa ke manje swimming pool behind the stage. Basically I'm being cleansed and renewed again. Sengi right back to normal, same routine.
So onke lezi makhulu ngamakhulu amantombazana lapha ya adlule kulento le.
Sonke yazi masenza iBBC documentary, I was so surprised because it took 3 years for them to do the documentary, but masenza reunion all the girls and babona ku documentary bonke bokuyilento ukuthi siyakhombana sonke ukuthi nawe
wena nje England
abelungu ama-China amandiya wonke umuntu sonke
Mawucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba kukhona neyabafana phezulu mhlawumbe nako kwenze ukuthi mhlawumbe ayibandekanye noma nikubeze bona abafana ayingekho mhlawumbe izinto ezikanjalo amahindu
angikaze ngambona ke nabafana but khona abanye abakhulumayo abasho izinto ezinjalo. Enye futhi ethusayo ukuthi umuntu menyamalala sibuzani phela ukuthi ukuphi umuntu
khona abanyamalalayo
sometimes uthi uyadlula uyahamba ubona isidumbu awu ngeke awusibonanga angibonanga lutho mina ngazi lutho
kwenzeka abantu bafe
baningi abantu abashona abafa enkonzweni sihlala nabo but uthula uthi du imindeni mayizobuza ngemndeni ukuthi hayibo inganyamba ehlala la what happened hayibo TB Joshua phela usebenza namaphoyisa wangaleso bayakhona ukusebenza kahle ababribe kamnandi, you understand?
Ukudilika kwesonto ke lona ke lidilika nikuphi nendawo
hayibo mamelike. So isonto, remember njengathi structure sesonto ilapho kuhlala kuthina nkosikazi wakhe ama disciples wonke no TB Joshua uhlala in that structure. Akudilikanga istructure sesonto, kudilike lapho kuhlala ama visitors khona across the road. Lelinye ibhilida lakhile across the road.
So kudilikanga kunini
akudilikanga kuthina but ikudilike across the road. But now here's the thing, mina makudilike ibhilidi I was gone, long gone.
Kanjani ke
Hayibo mfethu, you know, I always say this. There was a time ubethanda ukuthi Joshua ukumema abantu abakhulu. There was a time wamema iJoya celebration. Wayemema ukuthi ize ka TB Joshua for birthday yakhe.
Yeah.
Bazocula, you understand? So I've been staying there for years. Sengikwazi ukukhuluma nepidgin English. So mongibuka ngeke usho ukuthi ngumZulu. You think I am part of the crew. So being a groupie I was ngabona uJabu Hlongwane. Hayibo ngamjabulela uphuthi Hlongwane wavela ngibheka uJabu Hlongwane wathi mina ufunani la? Wathi ufunani la? Ngathi mina hayi abazali bami ngiletha athi hayibo kanti ukwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. Ngathi mina yes ngikwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. Athi kumina hayibo abazali bakho nje babakushiye lana kushuthi abakuthandi wena abakudinga ekhaya. Yabona? That's when for the first time I had a loud vibe moment. Like ngoba na ulayitelwe ukuthi what am I doing here?
Yeah.
Now the problem is ngizohamba kanjani because passport lise office.
Okay, kancane dadewethu. Sibheka emaphethelweni manje.
That's why I get him for me I'll forever thank uBab Hlongwane with your celebration because if I didn't meet him in Nigeria I think uNkulunkulu wakhanda ukuthi ngihlangane naye ngibe igroup for him to say to me ufunani la? What are you doing here? That's when I had a light bulb moment. And then for the first time now I started thinking ngizohamba kanjani la? How do I live? But then I knew that each time Mfundisi had a crusade. The first trip from Nigeria would fly to South Africa. Gobo Nomuza, South Africa. And then we'd spend a day or two. Then we connect to the next country that we're going to. But at that time, when you flew down to South Africa, I mean, your passport is in your hand.
Yeah.
So that night, I remember we flew to South Africa, South Africa, Salale Psu, ngiphethe passport wami, nguphethe nje passport wami. One day, ngoba lelanga lokuthi it's either now or never.
Yebo.
Khona ubhuti obenza ingadi lapha endlini yakhe. Passport yami ngiyithathile, I remember ngiyifake la ku bodies la eceleni. Ngavele ngame egedini, ubhuti enza ingadi ngaphuma straight ngathi la it's either now or never. Ubhuti ngibuza, "Oh yeah, sister Sikhle, where you going?" Ngathi, "I'm coming." Sister Sikhle athi, "Come on." Mamela, akusunga ngagijima yeso. Ngamisa imoto. First car I stopped ngangena phakathi. Ngathi kumina, "Drive." Manje umlungu lo uthukile what's happening please just drive ngishiya phone ngishiya everything impahla zami kwasani the only thing I had on me was my passport. I can't go home ngoba uma wami phela ke she's part of the church, she's a head pastor.
Umthemba kakhulu emanzwani namanje noma
till today uma wami wangifakela protection order 4 years ago wafakela mina nezingane zami protection order ukuthi until I go back ngixolise ngithi hayi amanga it didn't happen akangidingi mina nezingane zami
ukhuluma kabi udate manje
hayibo angimkhulumi kabi ngikhuluma about the pain nokuyukubeza that I went through. All I wanted mina and everything I've ever seeked for was uma wami athi I'm sorry for taking you to the church. Yes. This bag is my daughter's bag. So my daughter Nkosi yami she nge-8 zaka January documentary yaka TB Joshua aired in the country. And I carry this bag because I believe my daughter is with me in spirit. Unfortunately for me, day 11 zaka January, 3 days after a documentary, my daughter passed on. She was 10 years old. Oh, no. Can I tell you, people abazibiza ngokuthi abazalwane angibafuni phambi kwami because abantu abazibiza abazalwane they were very cruel, but yeah ingane kaSihle ishonile bajabula. Yeah, touch not my anointed. Unayekile uSihle washonela ingane. Yeah, ubesukela uTB Joshua manje uNkulunkulu uyamphanisha ingane ishonile. It's your fault ingane ishonile Sihle. Let me tell you, that is why I demanded ukuthi I want an autopsy done. Ngifuna ukwazi what happened to my daughter. Lo and behold, our doctor check medically kwathiwa my daughter suffered a ruptured brain aneurysm. Hayibo, what is a ruptured brain aneurysm? But give me she had a hemorrhage. Yini hemorrhage, doctor? Then they explained ukuthi 1 in 5 people are walking around with an unruptured aneurysm. And Lena, it could be genetically, and there are no signs and symptoms. Meaning ukuthi she had a bleeding of a vein in the head which burst. It's a ruptured brain aneurysm. So for me now, once I got a medical diagnosis about doctor, I told myself that I don't care. That is why bloggers who have opened case against abazalwane that have opened cases against, who are saying inganyami bulawe because of TB Joshua blah blah blah, because that's defamation of character. That's cyberbullying. It's not true. My daughter had a ruptured brain aneurysm.
All right, Mahlazi siyabonga sesiphetha njengane kwethu umbuzo nginawo wodwa. Usakholwa inkosi uJesu?